Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by LuvmeHair, and they sent me this beautiful wavy 6x6, I think. No, I'm lying. 5x5 closure wig. It has some highlights in it. It's not a 1B. I think it's more like a number 2 hair with some highlights in it, and I kind of finessed it into a side part, and this is what I ended up getting. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So obviously the wig came 5x5 closure wig, like I said. I think this is roughly 22 inches. In the box, they sent me the bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. They sent me some stocking cap. They sent a brush to use, and the user guide for the wig. So how to care the hair, how to, you know, the social media handles, how to wash the hair, treat it after you're done wearing it, all of that. Now if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Claps.
Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, you use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Hey, keep your legs close, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. They round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this part of gang shit.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank LuvmeHair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. Once again, thank you LuvmeHair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.